Hi Candy, is your mom with you?
No, why?
I want go to with you the porch.
Okay, Candy, I'm with you in my house.
I will go with a friend. Can you go with your sister?
Okay, well.
Hi Fabian,
Hey man, what's up?
can you go to the party?
Yes sir, what time is the party?
Right now in the Christian house.
Okay, let's go. I'm waiting for you.
Okay.
Oh shit, it started to rain. Wait. Oh, okay, bye. Our friend says that she can go. They can go because it's raining.
But no, what can I do?
I don't know. Call to Christian, he maybe knows. Wait. Hi, Christian.
Hi, what are you doing?
He supposed that we were going with our girlfriend, but she can't. She can't.
Really? It's sunny. If you went, you come to the party.
Party? Really? Good. Yes.
Amazing.
We're gone.
I am waiting for you.
Bye.
Bye, bitches. We are here, man. Okay, come on in. Austin and Manola will come too. The music.
Here, man.
Shit, it's raining.
Oh, come on.
Fuck!
Come on, move, quickly.
Oh, shit.
Shit, man. Shit, this is boring. Look, man.
It's raining.
We're here. No, really?
Come on, quickly. This party is over because the rain.
Let's go to the living room.
Let's
Okay,
go,
go.
man.
Okay.
Move.
Fuck you.
Shit.
Hug you.
Shit, man.
Yeah.
This is boring.
It's boring if we rain.
Yeah, man.
Fuck. Shit.